This bread. This.
Uh-oh.
This ice cream.
Yeah.
Let's go find some more.
Ooh, I see.
I see.
It's this food.
Do you want me to hold that for you while you go find some more?
No funny.
What's
Come
over
on,
there?
Let's go look for some more.
William, follow Daddy.
Find some more.
There's more.
There's more? Where else?
There's more over there.
Do you want
That
me to
is
get a
more.
rocket ship?
No.
Look at your rocket ship.
I see it's a flower.
Yeah.
Did you find your basket?
It's my bucket.
It looks like grass.
Yeah. I know.
So get your wrist and we're cool some there. So do remember this ducky's no, it's a ducky's
Yeah. A ducky.
Okay, let's take all the stuff out of the basket so we can use it. We're gonna go on a hunt.
Do you want to find more eggs?
Those?
If I eggs to find eggs.
Pack that thing like a parachute?
A little bit, yeah.
There's both right.
Yeah.
There's nothing in them. Sorry, they're hollow.
You
Why
can
don't
do
you
it.
help him open the rest of his basket so we can move on? Maybe, yeah, just tip it upside down.
Here. Here,
Trambampoline!
put the eggs in.
William, Trambampoline! Can you say that?
What?
That?
Here, go find more eggs.
Do you find all the little special treats?
It's like I should breathe.
Put them in there.
Thank you. William, look over there.
You gotta find all your eggs.
I
That stinking bunny keeps taking all your eggs.
don't like it.